Okay, so hello everyone, this is Akshay here, and this video is basically around my wealth plan of 10 year by 35. So, starting ahead, I'm a 26-year-old and I'm working as software engineer at Mastercard, and my monthly salary is around, oh, I cannot reveal that one, or can I? ठीक है, वो reveal नहीं कर सकते यार. But ये मैं ज़रूर बता सकता हूँ कि out of that I invest around 80k every month. That's some portion of my take home income, and it's not in crypto or in stocks. So I invest in a boring long term SIP across which is say large cap, mid cap, and a small cap mutual funds, right? This strategy may sound slow, but over time it's going to compound into serious wealth, right? In this video we will break down the exact that why I do this, how do I do it, and how maybe you can reflect it or maybe copy it even if you are starting with just let's say 5,000 a month or 1,000 a month. But the reason being here or the highlight being here is that we must start, right? Second point, what I would say is that why would I actually started investing, right? When I started earning from my first job, right, that was in Brilio, and there's a complete video of my journey that how many companies I've been worked for. That must be coming up now. So I wasn't saving much, I would say, right, just around 5k or 10k a month, because that was the first time I was in corporate, and that was the first time I was earning. And you guys can realize that whenever it's the first time we made some money, we don't actually go all in, and हम थोड़ा घूमते भी हैं, right? तो इस बीच में गोवा गया था, कोडाईकनाल गया था, एंड बहुत जगह मैं घूमा था, राइट? तो ये कुछ गोवा के पिक्स हैं और ये हमारे बाकी जगह के पिक्स हैं. So I didn't even know where to put it, right? हमें पता भी नहीं था कि मुझे कहाँ डालना है. But over the years, after switching companies, facing uncertainty, and seeing how much the unpredictable salary growth is, I realized that having a high income is not enough, right? High income होना ही चाहिए, but that is not enough. And we need to create a system that works even when we don't. वो बात आपने सुनी होगी ना कि जब आप सो रहे हो, right? तब भी आपका पैसा आपके लिए काम करता रहना चाहिए, right? To build a wealth, right? तो वही बात है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई मेड दिस इन्वेस्टिंग अ मंथली रूटीन. जैसे कि हम रेंट पे करते हैं, राइट? वो ऑप्शन नहीं है. जैसे अगर आप रेंटेड में रह रहे हो तो जस्ट लाइक पेइंग अ रेंट, जस्ट लाइक बाइंग द ग्रोसरीज, इट्स नॉट ऑप्शनल, राइट? सो इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर सर्वाइवल. सो टुडे आई डोंट केयर अबाउट द मार्केट टाइमिंग or the FOMO. I just have to invest consistently, and that's the edge, right? So my 80k SIP strategy, what that is. So let me give you the exact allocation breakdown of my 80k. No specific fund names and no promotion, just the categories. So I would say it's around 40% in large cap, and these are basically the stable blue chip companies, lower risk, slower growth, and but they can anchor the portfolio, right? 30% I usually put in mid cap funds, medium sized company with high growth and potential, slightly more volatile but good returns, right? So 20% in small cap funds. There are high growth, high risk bets for long term compounding. 5% against in gold ETFs, जो मैंने भी हाल फिलहाल में ही शुरू किया है, just to diversify and hedge against the inflation, जो कि हो भी रहा है, मुझे दिख भी रहा है, right? And 5% एक liquidity emergency fund में डालता हूँ, so that I don't panic during the downtime. And I don't pick funds emotionally, right? I review once. I don't pick it emotionally, right? हमें रिव्यू करना होता है every 6 months. Rest of time I just focus on earning more and my day-to-day daily activities, right? तो stocks और crypto क्यों नहीं करते यार अभी? Why not stocks or crypto? So जैसे कि यार I'm in early 20s and I used to chase stocks based on tips and analysis while in my college days. But अभी टाइम ऐसा है यार कि sometimes I made money, most times learning curve ही रहता था, right? So I also tried short-term crypto, but it was like gambling to me. बाकी आप लोग का नहीं पता, but I realize I'm not a trader and I'm a builder, right? I'm not here to double my money in a week, but I want predictable compounding over 10 to 15 years. So SIPs जो है वो मुझे शांति देती है, आप कह सकते हो, and I can work, create, build my YouTube channel जो भी मैं बना भी रहा हूँ, without refreshing charts all day, right? So this is not a financial advice again, मैं कहूँगा, it's just that's something that works for me, right? तो ये 10 CR बनेगा कैसे? Where was I? So how it grows to 10 CR, yeah, right? So हम यहाँ पे एक SIP कैलकुलेटर देखेंगे, जैसे कि जो मैं बोल रहा हूँगा, and the same would be seeing the calculation in the calculator as well. So let's look at the numbers. So if it is like 80k per month for 10 years with not taking the much exaggerated average returns, we are just taking 12% an average and annual return, and let's say and in this case you can see we have invested 96 lakhs and the total amount be around 2.4 to 2.6 CRs, right? And if I continue it for 15 years, then it will become 6.5 to 7, right? But here's the real kicker. बात तो हो रही थी 10 ईयर बनाने की, राइट, एंड इट्स बिन ऑलरेडी 15 ईयर्स। तो बात ये है यार कि हम इसी पोजीशन पे हमेशा नहीं रहेंगे, राइट। हम लोग हमेशा ग्रो करते हैं अपने जर्नी में, व्हाटएवर यू डू, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो, and actually here's the real kicker, that if my YouTube income or other side hustles which I'm working on grows, and it will with time, then I can increase this SIP by even 10% every year. That goes a step up SIP, right? तो उसका calculation भी हम देख लेते हैं. So you can, now I can say that this particular number of 10 years is not a dream, right? It's a system, right? आप जब active, when we are doing an active job, we earn an active income, right? What passive income says is that when you're even not working, but you have made a system out of it, that system creates money for you, and that money accounts to be the wealth, right? That's the power of staying consistent. Now, staying consistent से कुछ और evidence भी मैं देना पाऊंगा यार, कि so in the intro video of this whole video that there was 500 days of code completed and mentoring 6.5k plus members, right? तो 500 days actually complete हुआ है यार, राइट। आप डे 1 से लेकर के डे 530 या 40 तक हम गए थे, वी आर कटिंग एवरी DSA प्रॉब्लम्स, और अब इट्स ईजी, राइट। वी कैन से इट्स ईजी, बट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड बहुत कुछ आएगा। सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द पावर ऑफ स्टेइंग कंसिस्टेंट, नॉट जस्ट अर्निंग मोर बट इन्वेस्टिंग बेटर, राइट। So lastly, I would just say that you don't need such an amount to start, right? You just need even a 5k or even a 1k is enough, but you have to start. Just I have started, right? Or now I'm in the middle of these things, and now I'm running a YouTube channel where I share the DSA coding technicals and tutorials. So why not share the things which are also playing part in our life, right? Because wealth is not built from income, yeah. It's built from discipline. So हमने discipline build करना है, right? And I'll be documenting everything, my money habits, investing updates, and income growth right here. And if you want to follow along, not just passively watch, but actually build with me, then hit the subscribe button, definitely, for sure. And let's build the wealth together, not through the hacks, but through the habits, right? So with this, let's end this video here, and we can meet again in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Goodbye, and take care, guys.